Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. Union Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan recently provided a thoughtful account on the visit to Punjab, Patiala, where he spent time engaging directly with local farmers in a chaupal, a traditional village gathering space typically used for open discussions. He described the experience as both enriching and humbling, emphasizing that face-to-face, grassroots-level dialogue provides an unmatched window into the true concerns, innovations, and expectations of the farming community. During the interaction held under the shade of trees and amidst active farmland, Minister Chauhan listened carefully to the farmers' feedback, concerns, and suggestions. He highlighted that such candid, informal conversations are often more effective than scripted public meetings, as they foster mutual understanding and bring attention to practical challenges that are often overlooked in formal policy settings. Recognizing the importance of collaboration in governance, Chauhan stressed that the resolution of agricultural-related issues require close cooperation between the central and the state government. He stated that while the centre formulates overarching policies and allocates resources, the state are the primary implementation, and therefore both must move in sync to achieve meaningful outcomes. In a concrete step towards the collaboration, Chauhan revealed that he had extended an invitation to Punjab's Agriculture Minister and a team of senior officers to visit New Delhi for a series of detailed discussions. The aim, he said, is to jointly craft solutions that are informally by both on-ground realities and national policy frameworks. He added that a local level meeting would also be held immediately with Punjab government officials to begin identifying priority issues and action points. The minister underscored that his approach is grounded in the belief that dialogue is most effective told in governments. There is no problem that cannot be solved through meaningful discussions, he said, reiterating that keeping communication lines open is essential, especially within a democratic and a federal structure like India's. He expressed concerns over any attempt to bypass the federal spirit by holding discussions only with one side, nothing that true collaboration demands the involvement of both the centre and the state government.
पंजाब की इस पवित्र धरती पर आकर अत्यंत प्रसन्न हूँ, बहुत भाग्यशाली समझता हूँ कि आज यहाँ के किसानों के साथ बैठने का मौका मिला, उनसे बातचीत करने का मौका मिला। अभी मिनिस्टर साहब के साथ, उनकी टीम के साथ हम अभी भी बैठक करने वाले हैं और उनको मैंने दिल्ली भी आमंत्रित किया कि वो अफसरों की टीम लेके दिल्ली पधारे, राज्य और केंद्र मिलके इस समस्या का समाधान निकाले। हम लोग अभी बैठने वाले यहाँ भी मिलके ही साथ काम करेंगे। अभी यहाँ भी उनके साथ मीटिंग होने वाली, उनके अफसरों के साथ, और मैं मंत्री जी को दिल्ली भी आमंत्रित कर रहा हूँ बैठ के। देखिए, हम सदैव संवाद से समाधान में विश्वास रखते हैं और इसलिए अभी भी चर्चा करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। तो इतना जरूर है कि फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर है तो राज्य सरकार भी साथ रहती है। आओ, राज्य सरकार को अलग करके चर्चा करो, ये बात हमारे संघीय ढांचे में उचित नहीं लगती, क्योंकि इम्प्लीमेंट कई चीजें राज्य सरकार करती है, इसलिए चर्चा और बातचीत साथ साथ होनी चाहिए।
Chauhan added that agriculture reforms, modernization efforts, and farmer welfare initiatives would be more impactful when designed and implemented through joint consultations that incorporate state-level inputs. Concluding his reflection, the Union Minister expressed deep appreciation for Punjab's agriculture heritage and the spirit of its farmers. He praised their resilience, innovation, and contribution to national food security while assuring them that their voices were heard and would be reflected in future policies. He affirmed the centre's commitment to building a robust, inclusive, and farmer-focused agriculture ecosystem through continued dialogue, mutual respect, and shared responsibility. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube.